Good morning, my fellow developer. Today, we are going to discuss about one of the easiest topic, that is append and how to concat. Okay, the different data frame, or maybe you can say between two data frame or more than two data. So let's first talk about append. Okay, add the row in data frame 1 to the end of data frame 2. Columns should be identical. See, I'm creating a data frame that is df1. So I'm taking two column value, that is A and B, and I'm passing the value as 1, 2, 1, 3, 4. You can see I have created a data frame that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Fantastic. Now I'm creating a second data frame where I'm taking the same column name, that is A and B, but different value, that is 5, 6, 7, 8. You can see two data frame is ready. Fantastic. Now what I'll do, I append these two data frames. If I append, what will happen is it is just kind of vertical append. So you can see the first one is 1, 2, 3, 4. Whenever I'm using the append method, this df1.append of df2, then the second data frame value, that is 5, 6, 7, 8, will be appended below to the first data frame value. That will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you can see the index is here 0, 1 and 0, 1. But generally, we never see such type of indexing. It should be start from some value and with some value, let's say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, something like that. But here we are seeing something different that we know in our upcoming classes. Add the rows in data frame 1 to the data frame 2 columns should be identical. You can see whenever we are adding into data frame, make sure the columns should be identical. If columns name are different, they are not identical, then we cannot append it. Okay, now you can see. Appending to data frame by ignoring index. If I use by ignoring index, now you can see the same operation I'm doing. df1.append of df2. Now I'm writing in ignore underscore index is equal to 2. Then what will do? Usually you can see as the index value of data frame 1 was 0 and 1. Similarly, index value for data frame 2 is 0 and 1. It's just appending 0, 1, 0, 1, which is not correct. I want in the sequential manner, then I have to write ignore underscore index is equal to 2. So that instead of writing 0, 1, 0, 1, it will write 0, 1, 2, 3. Rest of the things are same. Like appending by value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only the index value will start from 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Similarly, these are the rows in data frame 1 to the data frame instead of the data frame. Okay. We use concat. So this was the previous one as the append. Fine. If I use the concat method, then what will happen? These are the rows in data frame 1 to the data frame. Let's see. I have the data frame 1, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. I have the data frame 2, which contains 5, 6, 7, 8. Then if I use concat of data frame 1, data frame 2, it is doing the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is no difference. Okay. Only the syntax is different. There I am writing df1.append of df2. Here I am writing pd.concat of df1, df2. Why? Because this concat method is present or provided by Pandas itself. That's why when using, I have to call on top of PD only, Pandas only. Fine. Now, concatenate multiple CSV files. Give the same example. Think about this, guys. Generally, total data would be stored within multiple files, like suppose yearly data. So I have split it into different months, like January month cell, February month cell, March month cell, like December month cell. I have 12 different CSV files. So we need to convert all these monthly cells to bring into yearly cell, right? So for that, what I will do, getting .csv file from all files. Very first is we need to access all files from specific folder. For that folder, we need to capture only CSV file. Okay? So for example, the path is giving, let's say, any name. Let's say your name. Okay, I put any some laptop name. And inside that, all my files are present. That is 12 files. Why? Because each file related to each month. So starting from January up to December. So 12 files are there. Now I need to read the file from the desired path or given path. So all type file is for the least desired to your path. So that path I am passing here. Now I'm trying to extract only CSV file. Maybe in addition to 12 CSV file, some other file is also there, like maybe .txt file or JSON file or any other file. But my intention is to read only CSV file. So I'm just writing in Lambda function like list Lambda f colon f.end with .csv. Where the extension will end with .csv, that will be treated as CSV file. Only those files I will pick it up and store into a variable that is called CSV underscore files. Then I am printing all the files. You can see all the files that I am printing. Okay, April, August, December, February, January, July, August, and April. Right? In addition to that, also some other file also present .txt file and .xl file. But I want to print only CSV file. So I'm printing only CSV file. You get. Okay. All type of file contains every file containing .txt file, .xl file, .csv file, and all. Whenever I'm using the filter operation by using the Lambda function, I am filtering out only CSV file. So here for file in CSV underscore file, print file. So I'm printing only CSV file. Fantastic. Now I need to concatenate. So same program. Okay, copy paste up to this point. Fantastic. Okay. Then what I'll do? Again, a different variable called all month data is called PD concat of all month file I'm passing. So all month data file is nothing but PD data frame. I'm creating a empty data frame. Okay. In that I am adding all the month file. Okay. You can see the current date is nothing but I'm just reading only CSV file that I'm adding. Now you can see all month.csv.toCSV. Why? Because I'm just to CSV writing. Okay. Year.csv index is equal to false. Print. Please check current directory for year.csv. So I have already created a file called year.csv. So whatever data frame I'm creating, all underscore month underscore data, from that data frame, I'm storing the data into a file. That file name is called year.csv. And that directory also I'm giving, right? So you can see same directory where you are reading the file. The same directory, it will just create a new file which contains combination of all month data because I have used to concatenate, or maybe you can use for append also. Please check current directory for year.csv. Okay, guys. With this, we have successfully completed the use case of append and concat. Okay, by using these two methods, you can use in a real time. You can solve the real time use cases also. We have just solved sometimes before, right? How to concat different month file, sales file into a single file that is called yearly sales file. Okay. So with this, we have successfully completed, guys. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get the notification regarding the latest update, whatever the video I am uploading. Okay. In addition to that, in the description box, I have given already the Telegram channel link as well as Instagram channel link. You can, follow that. You can join that so that you can get all the latest updates. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.